In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change aura color in Blox fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to modify your aura, first, you will need a prerequisite. You will need to reach aura stage 5. Upon reaching stage 5 with your aura, you will be rewarded with the title Iron Man, and also you will be able to change the aura color. So this is only going to be given to you when the aura is turned on. The aura colors can be primarily obtained or bought from the Master of Auras. By interacting with this NPC, you will be able to buy different colors. So regular colors are going to cost 1500 fragments or 1500, and you can also acquire them for 88 Robux from the colors specialist. Legendary colors will cost you 7500 or 7500, and they can also be bought for Robux, this time 350 from the colors specialist. So if you want to purchase them using fragments, talk to this specific NPC, the Master of Auras. He is going to have a lot of different spawn points, and you will be able to talk to him to get new aura colors. And if you just want to use Robux, you can talk to the colors specialist. Now, to actually change the color, you will have to go to the specialist either way. So by interacting with the colors specialist NPC, you will be able to switch between the aura colors that you have obtained, and you can also purchase them with Robux like I mentioned. 88 Robux for the standard regular colors and 350 Robux for the legendary colors. There are a lot of areas where the Master of Auras can spawn, so I recommend that you go over to the wiki if you are still confused, and you will be able to find all of the specific ones. I'm going to show you some examples on screen, but like I mentioned, he switches area often, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the color of your aura in Blox fruits. If this video helped you, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy Blox fruits quick tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.